Dah si sabar kami nak kamu sudah dunia tu
Sama juga nyanyi.
Assalamualaikum Kak. Segala.
Kami mau nanya, sini tempat pengetahuan untuk pelajar baru.
Oh, jom kami tunjukkan tempatnya.
Okey, jom.
Atas dulu. Assalamualaikum. Tumpang bertanya, di mana tempat pendaftaran pelajar baru ya?
Jelah kami tunjukkan.
Saya tak tahu bahasa Sarawak.
Oh, aduhai, maaf ya. Jomlah saya tunjukkan tempatnya.
Oh, okey, jom. Tu kunci kita orang. Jaga baik-baik tak?
Okey, terima kasih.
Boleh ulang sekali lagi, saya tak faham.
Ibu kelakar Sarawak yang tidak sihat.
Oh, sorry. Saya cakap, jaga kunci dia baik-baik, jangan hilangkan. Oh, okey. Terima kasih.
Asma. Nampaklah belum maaf tadi ada kecoh.
Tak apa.
Asma, malam ni kita pergi tengok movie tak? Sebab movie film malam ni. Malam ni? Bolehlah balik balik malam tu. Sekejap je. Lagipun bukan lama sangat pun. Asma boleh balik lepas kita tengok movie tu. Pasti ada hal tu minggu tu. Boleh balik. Sorry Syuhada. Tak apa lah, kalau gitu tak. Kita pergi makan lah. Jom.
So guys, have you ever wondered why Malaysia have a different dialects? And how geographical area influence the sound of the Malay language? Check this out.
Syuhada,
Yeah.
does geographical areas in Malaysia influences the sound of Malay language?
Yes, it is.
And how?
From the previous clip, we know that Kelantan, Selangor, and Sarawak have a different geographical area, and the sounds of their Malay language is also different.
Can you tell me more?
Yes, as for Kelantan, the dialect have received the external influence from Thailand. This is because Kelantan is located near to the Thailand. Kelantan Malay is a highly divergent dialect of Malay because of the geographical isolation of dialect from the rest of Malay world by high mountains, deep rivers, and the Gulf of Thailand. Several varieties are that exist, but they are mutually comprehensible to the extent that the native speaker of Patani, Thailand, and the Kelantanese often cannot differentiate each other. This dialect is difficult to understand by the speakers from the western region of the Malaysia Peninsula, such as Selangor, and the speakers from Borneo, such as Sarawak, because they have received the external influence from Thailand.
Next, as for Sarawak State, it is the largest state in Malaysia and located in the northwest of Borneo Island. The Malay dialect of Sarawak receives internal influences from its ethnic group. This dialect is very similar to Iban languages compared to the Malay dialects of Sumatra and Malayan Peninsula. This dialect is very difficult to understand by speakers from Sabah and Peninsular Malaysia because Sarawak have various dialects spoken in each of the ethnic groups.
Besides, as for Selangor, it is located at the west of Peninsular Malaysia. The sound of Malay language spoken by Selangor people is an original dialect, and there is no difference between the sound of language spoken in Selangor and Johor. Mida, can you tell me how Malaysia have dialect?
Yes, sure. This is because the distribution of Malay language by geographical factors such as mountains, river basins, forest bed, and so on. Next, regional variations are then displayed in the form of linguistic maps, where each dialect is characterized by a linguistic boundary known as isoglots. In fact, the Malay language has been existed since 500 years ago. At that time, the Malay language was used as a lingua franca in Southeast Asia region. In addition, Malay is also the Malay Polynesian language under the Austronesian family that has been used in Malaysia, Indonesia, and its environment since more than 100 years ago.